Hello, morning enthusiasts. Welcome to the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast. I am your host, Dr. Lunid, and today I want to talk to you about how to make every moment be special or to even identify that every moment can be special in your life. So you might have to fulfill an obligation or go along with something you don't really want to do today, but try to find something good and uplifting about your experience. Put a smile on your face. This is a good thing. It's a positive experience. Rather than just biding your time until you get it over with, try to find something about it to enjoy. You will not only be doing a good thing for someone else, but you will be doing a good thing for yourself. Make every moment count and realize that every moment can be special. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a story. Once a hunter was passing through a jungle, and there he found a pair of beautiful parrots. Hunter at once set up a trap and caught those parrots. Later, he took them to King and presented them as a gift. King was very happy to receive such gifts. King ordered his servants to put the parrots in golden cages. Servants were ordered to take care of those parrots day and night. At King's palace, the parrots were fed with most delicious fruits, and servants ran left and right in order to keep them comfortable. Even young prince came to play with the parrots and treated them with utmost love. The young parrot was super happy with special treatment and said to his older brother, "Brother, we are so lucky." The older parrot replied, "Yes, we were lucky to be brought here. Our lives in palace is so comfortable, and here we have everything we need and loved by all," exclaimed the younger parrot with joy. After some months, the hunter returned with another present. This time, it was a magnificent black monkey and offered it to King as a gift. Soon, the monkey became main attraction, and the parrots were neglected. Young parrot became sad and depressed. One day, he said to his older brother, "This monkey destroyed our perfect world, and because of him, nobody cares and looks for us anymore. No one even looks at us anymore." Older parrot smiled and replied, "Don't worry, little brother. Nothing in this world is permanent, and you will see that things will change very soon." Soon, Monkey started to create trouble in the palace. And then one day, Little Prince got so afraid of Monkey that he ordered his servants to send the monkey back into the jungle. Next day, Monkey was sent to jungle, and again, parrots became the main attraction of the palace, and everyone started paying attention to them and loving them like before. The young parrot became happy and exclaimed, "Our happy days have returned." Listening to this, older parrot told his younger brother, "Time never stays the same. Therefore, you should never get depressed because of unfavorable time." Finally, younger brother realized that he should never lose his patience under unfavorable conditions. So, morning enthusiasts, moral of the story is, rather than just biding your time until you get it over with, try to find something about it to enjoy. Every moment can be special. Be unwavering in your conditions, good or bad. They don't make you, because time never stays the same. So show up in every moment in your life with that mindset. And that way you can be present. You can be in the moment. You can be here now in front of who you are, in front of who you with, and in doing what you are destined to do.